Craft businesses, or ones that focus on the creation of artisanal goods using traditional techniques, are on the rise. But as many craft businesses focus on value rationality or the pursuit of subjective values-based motives instead of profitability and growth, the question arises, how do these craft businesses persist? By studying entrepreneurs who make bean-to-bar chocolate, a values-driven craft business, researchers found that a high proportion of these firms are founded by copreneurs, or life partners who found companies together, and that this copreneurship helps businesses last longer. They also found that craft copreneurs experience greater consistency between family, home, and work values, which enhances motivation and resolution and contributes to organizational persistence. In the craft businesses studied, copreneurs comprised a higher than expected proportion of founding teams. Fully 1/3 of chocolate firms were founded by copreneurs, about triple the typical rate of copreneurship in other areas. Copreneurs typically have deeper and more complex relationships than other founding teams, which supports the implementation of their shared ethos and values across business and home settings. Motivation also increases as personal and professional goals and values are aligned, helping the businesses persist and grow in authentic ways. Additionally, because copreneurs are life partners in committed personal relationships and in business, they experience more consistency across their family and work lives than other entrepreneurs. As they live together and work together, copreneurs must work hard to support one another, further strengthening the craft component of their businesses. Wonder what values keep craft businesses growing? If so, you may want to read this paper.